In today's video, we will learn about advanced electrical hand tools used by professional electricians during installation, troubleshooting, and maintenance work. Let's get started. Tool 1. Clamp meter. This is a clamp meter. It is used to measure electrical current safely without touching the wire directly. Electricians use this tool when working with live circuits. Tool 2. Insulated screwdriver set. This is an insulated screwdriver set. These screwdrivers protect electricians from electric shock while working on energized equipment. They are very important for safe panel work. Tool 3. Cable lug crimper, heavy duty. This is a heavy-duty cable lug crimper. It is used to attach large cable lugs to thick power cables securely. This tool is commonly used in distribution panel installations. Tool 4. Digital phase rotation tester. This is a phase rotation tester. It checks the correct phase sequence in three-phase electrical systems. Correct phase rotation is important for motors and industrial equipment. Tool 5. Circuit breaker finder. This is a circuit breaker finder. It helps electricians quickly identify which breaker controls a specific circuit inside a panel. This saves time during troubleshooting work. Tool 6. Knockout punch tool. This is a knockout punch tool. It is used to make clean holes in electrical panels and metal boxes for conduit installation. Tool 7. Torque screwdriver. This is a torque screwdriver. It helps electricians tighten screws with the correct pressure. This prevents loose connections and overheating problems. Tool 8. Cable pulling grip. This is a cable pulling grip. It is used to pull heavy electrical cables through conduit safely and efficiently. Tool 9. Thermal leak detector, or infrared thermometer. This is an infrared thermometer. Electricians use it to detect overheating wires, breakers, and connections without touching them. It helps prevent electrical failures. Tool 10. Continuity tester. This is a continuity tester. It checks whether a wire or circuit is complete or broken. This tool is very useful during repair work. Tool 11. Panel key, or utility key. This is a panel key. It is used to open electrical cabinets and service panels quickly. Many electricians carry this tool daily. Tool 12. Magnetic pickup tool. This is a magnetic pickup tool. It helps electricians retrieve dropped screws or small metal parts inside panels or tight spaces. Closing scene. These are some advanced electrical hand tools used by professional electricians. Learning these tools will help you become faster, safer, and more confident in electrical work. Thanks for watching amazing vlog. Please like, share, and subscribe for more electrician training videos and engineering knowledge. See you in the next video.